SOI uses health and availability data from your domain management tools to monitor your IT services based on quality and risk. When you integrate CA Spectrum and SOI, there are configurations built into the code to judge which CA Spectrum alarms needs to be categorized as risk fault and quality alerts in SOI console. In this video, you will learn how to reconfigure the CA Spectrum alarms as risk or quality alerts in SOI console using the Spectrum connector policy file. Log into the CA Spectrum one-click console. Click Tools, and then click Utilities. You can now click Event Configuration Editor from the Utilities menu. The Event Configuration window is displayed. Take a note of the probable cause alarm codes that have to be notified as risk and quality alerts. When an alarm is generated as a result of an event, the text in the associated Probable Cause tab is displayed. Log into the Spectrum connector machine and navigate to this path. Back up the Spectrum policy file. Open the Spectrum policy file and search for the Alert section. Here, you edit the Spectrum policy file to differentiate the Spectrum alarms as risk or quality alerts. Copy and paste the normalized code below the event class tag. The cause code with 0 by 10009 is referred as quality alert, and rest of the cause codes are mapped to risk alerts. Next, search for the field tag under the same section. Change the field conditional and input fields to temp alert type. In the default connector code, the type attribute determines the Spectrum cause code between these values as quality alerts and rest of the cause codes as risk alerts. The out-of-the-box category field in SOI pulls value from alert type attribute, which in turn pulls value from type attribute. Therefore, you have configured SOI to pass the value of cause code to a temporary attribute named temp alert type and then pass it from there to the alert type field. Log into the SOI alert console and verify that the alert name device has stopped responding to pulls is triggered as a quality alert. The category column in the SOI console gets the input from the alert type field that is specified in the connector policy file. You have now learned how you can reconfigure CA Spectrum alarms in SOI. Thank you. For more information, visit www.ca.com/education.